get into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. You might be knowing that we have done a quadcopter building tutorials previously. If not, you can find it in the I button, and also will provide the link in the description box. Anyhow, we have all the components from that previous build. So by using the same, we are trying to make a RC plane. So additional things we require is only the servo motors. Actually, we need a foam sheet for making this RC plane, but we are just doing a trial by using a waste cardboard. So I don't know exactly whether it will fly or not. We'll try our best. Aeroplane works on the principle of aerodynamics, so the main thing what we have to concentrate is on the shape of these wings. We are using 4 SG90 micro servo motors for the movements. It's a 1000 kV brushless motor, 30 ampere AC and 1045 propeller. These are all same what we have used for our quadcopter build. Now we have connected all the components, and for this we are using 2200 mAh LiPo battery. Now let's see how the flap works. Now it's time for testing. Sorry guys, our plane got crashed and unfortunately we could not record that video sample. But we have some photos after the crash. It's not a problem guys, we have learned a lot of things from this build. So we'll come back again with the same thing, but we'll use foam sheet instead of cardboard. From this we have come to know that what are the changes that we need to take up for the further building. Stay tuned for the coming project tutorials, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching guys, see you in the next one.